What's up everybody, Soya Brothers here. In this video, we're going to teach you how to join us every Tuesday and Saturday evening for our new Stash and Destash live streams.
First off, thank you so much for joining us on our channel, and we want to let you know that we provide only the highest quality product here at Soya Quilting.
We're going to divide this into two different segments. Segment number one, how this all works. Segment number two, the rules of the game. Let's get started. So the first thing is you've got to get onto our channel, and well, you've made it this far and you're here, so first step is done. The second thing is to make sure you are logged into YouTube. That way you can comment on our live streams.
Once you're all logged in, you can join in on the show. We'll be holding up different pieces of fabrics and different notions, and you'll be able to claim those fabrics via the chat. What you're going to do is we're going to hold up the fabric, and you're going to put in the number that we call out. So if we're holding up a fabric and it's number 1, you're going to put the number 1 in the chat and press enter.
There's a couple things to know about commenting in the chat. When you see a product you like, go ahead and put in the number that is called out and hit enter. Once that's done, you're done. You don't need to add your name or any other information.
That's the next step here in this video that you're going to learn. What you need to do is after you've put in the number and you've pressed enter, again, that's all you're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start reading out those numbers. So we're going to read the names of the people that have claimed that different number. So for example, if it's number 1, we'll read out the different names, and once you hear your name called and you've bid on an item or you've claimed an item, what you need to do is you need to send us a text with your information. You're going to send us your name, your screen name if it's different than your actual name, your email address, and if you would like it to be your products to be shipped or you'd like to pick up in store.
Now with that being said, we read off everyone's names in the order that they come in one by one. With everyone claiming fabric from all over the world, sometimes there is difference in your screen and our screen here. You have to realize lots of people are putting in information at the same time you are, but we do read them off one by one in the order we receive them.
So once you put the number in the chat and we've called your name, you're committing to purchasing that item. So what we do at the end of the night after the show is we send everybody an invoice. You'll get an invoice that's itemized with every single item that you've claimed, and you will be able to get on your email and pay for that invoice.
Because we value your privacy, we use Square processing to send out all of our invoices. That way all of your information is kept secure.
So now that you've joined us on the live stream, you've claimed an item, you've sent us your information, and we've sent you an invoice, it's time to pay. We ship out quickly. So after a Tuesday night show, we're usually shipping within 12 hours of ending that show. So it's extremely important that you pay those invoices promptly, or your package will go up to the end of the line. If you enjoy our shows, and in order to not miss out on the fun, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Click that subscribe button, and there's a little bell next to it that'll give you notifications about when we go live. Also, if you would send a text to this number on the screen, you will receive updates from us with links to our live shows. That way, you don't miss out.
Remember, we're live every Tuesday and Saturday evening, so please make sure to get those notifications so you don't miss out.
So let's go over a couple rules of the game. Rule number 1, keep everything G-rated on the chat. Your family is watching, and so is ours.
Rule number 2, if you've claimed an item on the chat, you're committing to purchasing that item. Because you've claimed it, someone else might not have had that opportunity because there was limited quantities, so please make sure to follow up and pay that invoice promptly.
Rule number 3, don't be a troll. No one likes trolls. Please remember, this is 100% live entertainment. If something isn't perfectly polished, please forgive us, laugh along with us, and enjoy the show.